Hello.
About us. What's good, mother flippers? I was gonna say fuck, didn't you? Caught myself. You know, I've been cussing too much in these videos. I just don't give a fuck. Alright, let's get in this. USD trade again. Nice little 1 to 3. Ditching. Made like, honestly, I think actually, alright, I'll get into it. So first, 9:30. If you watched the last video, I'm not trading London anymore. I'm trading New York Stock Open, which is at 9:30. Boom. We got buy side liquidity was swept with a huge 1 minute fucking bullish, bearish engulfing to the downside. I mean, look, 3 minute, still we won 1, 2, 3, 4. We engulfed 4 candles. Like, that's pretty strong, you know? So on the 1 minute, I was like, alright, bet I like that. We also created a fair value gap. Bing bang, bearish fair value gap. Waited on this candle, come up into it. Little risk. Entered in. Put my stops at the top here, about 2.7. And then I targeted this liquidity down here. I wasn't going to target this liquidity, but I'm going to explain why I didn't. But if I continue to hold, if I pull this over, that would have hit, and that was a 1 to 4.6. But I didn't do that because I took profit right here. Alright. So, buy side liquidity was swept. That's 1. Alright. 2, we have a bearish fair value gap. 3, pull back to that bearish fair value gap. That's where we enter. 4, we then target this sell side liquidity. It was hit. We also have a bullish fair value gap, an imbalance down here. This has to be filled. Also, there's one right here that has to be filled. This has to be filled. There's a tiny one right in here that has to be filled. Let me just do this for you guys. Like, that's an imbalance as well. That shit has to be filled. And down here, there's another imbalance that has to be filled. Look for this shit in your charts, guys. I'm like, honestly, look at it in your chart. All that shit has to get filled. So I came into this setup knowing this shit has to get filled. We came down, created another bearish fair value gap, which was right here. We never came back up to test it until over here 2 times. Both used it as resistance, so we know that's a strong area right there. Continue coming down, filled this gap. I took some partial profits out, and then we came down to this sell side liquidity. Sold most of my profit there. I kept like 0.5 running, and I closed that 0.5 about up here when I seen we broke above this fair value gap that was created, this bearish fair value gap. So we have, I'm going to delete this gap. You guys already know this got filled. So we have a bearish fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. Once we broke above that fair value gap, I just closed my position truly because I thought we were going to shift direction. So I ended up taking 0.5 right here. Still, I think I made like 220 bucks on this trade. But if I would have continued holding that 0.5 to my break even, because I moved my stops down to right here, if I would have continued holding and had my take profit all the way down here at this generated sell side liquidity, we would have hit, and this would have been a 1 to 4. I made a 1 to 3, pretty much a 1 to 3. Beautiful trade, truly. We've been pretty good lately. Been being patient, taking the opportunity that the market is showing us, not being greedy, not having FOMO, just doing your shit, you know, being precise, being super selective. And you know, this is what happens. It pays. I also been fucking around with some futures. Let me see. I took one on ES, I believe. Little, like, it was honestly a little 1-to-1. I'm just getting used to the futures, but I'll explain this too. This was only one contract I had. Right here though, we have not open at 9:30. Sell side or buy side got swept. I then wanted to wait for a market structure shift, which was right here on this huge bearish engulfing, and then we created a fair value gap, pulled up into it. I entered right here, and we came down. And I collected this liquidity, and that's I mean this is a 1 to 2, shitty, but it hit. Which I was just seeing. I just want to see how if I'm putting my forex strategy into futures, see how it would work and shit like that. And to be honest, it's not. Okay, for example, take this trade and then take the one we hit on Euro USD. Look at it's a 1 to 3 compared to a 1 to fucking 1.2. So I gotta figure something out. Also, though, there's no news. There was no news on Monday. We also have CPI on Wednesday. So the markets are going to be flat as shit for futures. It's going to be super flat, super choppy, just not knowing what the fuck it wants to do. But other than that, took a trade on Euro USD. It was beautiful. And that's... Oh, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the fucking YouTube channel, boys. Looking good. It's been a minute since I showed you the analytics. We're at 36 subscribers, 32 videos. We're going good. We're looking good. We're on a good pace. Let's keep that up. My goal is to get monetized to then make a couple cents a video. Isn't that crazy, bro? You got people making like crazy money off YouTube. Anyways, let's go to the dashboard here. Plus 57 in the last month. I gained subscribers. That's actually crazy. It's fucking sweet, dude. Content, my videos. All right, now here's the cool shit, the analytics. I'm gonna put this at the last 90 days because I haven't been doing this for a minute. Honestly, I only have 30 videos. I've been doing it for a little over a month. So overview, we have 6.3K views. Pretty solid. Watch hours, 167. Subscribers, plus 129. Boys, you already remember what I started with. If you're from the beginning of this channel, we started with 7 fucking subscribers, and we are already at 136 from a month ago. A little over a month. That's awesome. Content. So the views, around 5.7. Actually, if I go to lifetime, what would lifetime look like? Load. Okay, well, as it's loading, views 5.7K, impressions we have over 109K. Yeah, all right, the last 90 days is whatever, then better. Impressions 109.1K, beautiful. Click-through rate about 4%. I would like to get this up, and I want to get my view duration up from 1 minute and 38. I would like that to get higher. Look, so the retention is obviously. It just dies out, bro. I know. Listen, learning about trading is boring. Like, honestly, the videos are boring. I try my best to try and make it like fun to learn. So I'll like fucking be stupid and shit, and like get like ADHD moments, like a motherfucker. Like that's legit shit. But other than that, I gotta get my retention up. So I'm gonna start diving in. I'm gonna see where I lose audience. I'm gonna cut some shit, see if I can get this higher. Get all this shit looking good, because like I said, I'm coming into this upcoming year with some pretty solid goals, pretty good roadmap where I want to be with my YouTube, with my trading and life. And that's just if you guys are making roadmaps or like writing shit down, do it, man. Honestly, you can go back, see how far you've come. You can you can go back, see how far you've made it. You know, like look at the shit you've conquered, and see where you are now. Like I've went through a lot of journals, and I used to never be like that. It's good for you, honestly. It's good for you. Shorts. I only have one short video. I should probably start putting more, but I don't know. I like long form content a little better, honestly. Playlist. The trade recaps and the funded account journey went hard. I gotta probably do another one of those. Funded accounts are just like shit. I'd rather trade my own capital, honestly. Okay, if you're get it funded, get your first payout, and then start trading your live capital, truly. Because then you got, on the front end, you have to worry about drawdown. There's so many bullshit rules, bro, that you have to worry about. It's a joke. Live. Yeah, I got a couple live videos, nothing much. Shorts, already went over. All. New viewers, 3.9K. Shorts, 513. Live stream, 15. Returning viewers, 66, 41. Subscribers, plus 86. Shorts, plus 3. Videos, yeah, it's pretty cool, honestly. This shit is sick. You can see so much. So much. Impressions. Views from impressions. Watch time from impressions. Total traffic. Like, dude, you see all of this shit. Alright, let's see if we can see, like, content. I want to see if, yeah, let's see some earning shit. Okay. Showing data. I need at least 500 subscribers, I think. 580 short views. Oh my god, I need 3 million? The fuck out of here. What? I honestly don't know how to get monetized pretty well. Eligibility. Oh, okay, I need 1,000 subscribers. 4,000 watch hours. For the shorts, 10 million. I don't know about some of that. Don't make sense to me. I'm gonna have to look into that. Trying to see where, like, the audience. Okay, yeah, here it is. So look, India. Most of them are from India. That shit's crazy, bro. 30% of them are from India. Like the people who watch. 100% male. Come on, where's the females, bro? Not subscribed, bro. What are you guys doing? Subscribe. 76% of you guys aren't subscribed. Please subscribe. Show your boy some love. Fuck. Help a brother out. 18 to 24. Listen, if you're in if you have like the same mindset as me, and you're like around 20, I'm 20 years old. I turned 21 in November. If you're like around my age, have the same mindset, you think we fucking connect well, dude, join the Discord. We'll chop it up. I'm very active. I respond to everybody. I respond to everybody. Follow me on Insta. If not, bro, we'll chop it up. See if we can get into something. All right, whether that's trading, a different business venture, anything. If you want to make it in life, you know, you got to go with a team, straight up. Fuck, even if you're a little older, I don't give a fuck. Hit me up. Let's get something going. New viewers, 50. Returning viewers. This shit's crazy, bro, honestly. If you're not making content, like, you guys don't really see this side of it. So it's just awesome. I don't even know what this shit is. I never look at the inspiration. Let's check this out, guys. What's this look like? Oh, it's just this? Alright, bet. Let's look at the graph. Let's see the graph. The last 90 days. Look at that fucking graph, bitch. Look at that, bro. We started with 7 subscribers, dude. June 13th. Look at this. We just slowly rise. Holy shit. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, damn, 4 months. What the fuck? I did not think I'd be doing it for 4 months. I haven't think I've been uploaded for 4 months. What? Hold on. That don't seem right, honestly. When was my first video uploaded? Oldest? 2 months ago, yeah. I haven't been doing this shit for 4 months. My first video was 2 months ago. Fucking back. Dude, this shit was crazy. The video shit, honestly. This is my first video. I didn't know what I was doing, but dude, backcountry snowboarding was so badass. We had to have beacons, shovels, and shit. Like, people, just last year, somebody got buried out of there. It was actually crazy. This is in fucking Utah, Park City. Crazy shit. Boy, sometimes you gotta look back and, like, I'm proud of myself, bro. Like, give yourself a pat on the back, dude, honestly. Let's keep this up. It's just about to turn up a notch, though, honestly. I'm not fucking around anymore. I'm turning this shit up. What's this? Channel comments? Yeah, you guys don't really give a fuck about commenting on my shit. Some of you. I see the people who comment are like the same people who comment, so like respect to you guys. You guys are real ones. I gotta get monetized though. Alright, fuckers. That's about it. Like and subscribe, and as always, happy trading. Peace out.